E-commerce is a multi-billion-dollar industry. Many people starting out pick e-commerce as a business model of choice. It's a huge opportunity with immense growth potential because millions of people buy things online. However, it can be technical and expensive. You have to invest in bulk products to sell. You need a warehouse and customer support. There's trips to the post office, which, let's be honest, can be daunting. That's why we created Groovecart. Groovecart allows you to easily create your own e-commerce website with no HTML or coding skills needed. Plus, we're set up for simple business models. We integrate with dropshipping and print-on-demand services, which means no bulk buying, warehouse storage, or trips to the post office. You list your products on your store, and only when you make sales do you then place your order and your supplier ships out your product. Factories create your ordered product and ship them to your customers on your behalf. The best part? It's all free as a part of a whole suite of marketing tools at groove.cm.